2015 Ford F-150 Lariat V6 EcoBoost FX4. Man, that was a mouthful. Anyways, what we got done on it is it's got the factory converters there and there under this, whatever that cover is. What you got to do is you got to leave this resonator on it when you do a muffler delete, because if you don't leave it on there, they absolutely sound horrible. I don't want to say the other word. I'll leave that to you guys' imagination. Maybe we'll put a little thingy in the corner, a little poop emoji. Anyways, so there's the muffler delete we did. It had a MagnaFlow on it. It wasn't loud enough. He brought it back. We cut it off and put a muffler delete right there. Then it's got factory 3-inch tailpipe out the side with a factory tip. That's how you do a muffler delete on these, boys and girls. And again, leave that resonator on there. And the most important of everything else, if you don't get anything out of this video, subscribe. Please. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2020 Ford F-150 Crew Cab XLT EcoBoost V6 Twin Turbo. What else can I add to it? Four-wheel drive. Massive truck with a beautiful wheels. Nice setup on it. I love the look of them. I don't like the engine too much, but I love the look. I should have not said that, should I? It's okay. Sorry, Ford guys. Anyways, it's it's also an FX4 four-wheel drive. Yeah, that was so much things to say. Anyways, what we got done on it for you boys and girls, it's got stock converters there and there. Then it wires into a single there. Then we had a resonator on it here. We took that sucker off. Then it had a muffler here. We took that off and put a BORLA Pro XS system. Not system, just muffler. And we did the tailpipes. Pro XS. We'll see if we have a link in the description. The box is in there. Can you grab it for me? So I can get you the part number off of it. We'll have a link in this in the description for it. Then it's got 2 1/4 tailpipes, mandrel bent on each side, right there and right there, into 4-inch angle cut tips, black, to complete the look. There's the part number on the box for the muffler. It's 40349. It's a BORLA Pro XS. If you guys want it, there'll be a link in the description. And the tips also will hopefully have a link in the description for them. And like always, guys, please, please, please subscribe and like and comment and share and all the beautiful stuff that you guys do to keep supporting us so we can keep having videos for you guys. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. See, with the resonator on, it's not that bad. Guys would have took the resonator out, it would be so raspy and clappy, it would not sound so good. Here's sound decibels, 104, because that turbo takes a lot of the sound away too. Go ahead and back it up. That's really nice and deep. I like it. What do you guys think? Should he take the resonator off? Or should he keep it on? The world may never know. Because I think he's going to like it just like that. It's really deep. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. BORLA Pro XX. think it sounds pretty good. Give it gas. That's not bad. Here's the muffler and resonator we cut off of it. Tailpipe. No, put it in part. Here's the sound decibels. Again. It's not that loud at all. I like it. He wanted a really deep tone. That BORLA XS gave it that deep tone without a lot of raspiness. Because these trucks tend to be really raspy when you do straight pipes or a bullet or something like that. So I'm glad he went with that. Not too bad at all. One more. BORLA Pro XS. Let you guys hear on the inside. F-150 EcoBoost V6 muffler delete and left the resonator on there. Nice. We're trying to convince the wife to get hers done, but she keeps saying no. So we'll see. Maybe after she hears this, she'll get it done. Ford EcoBoost Pro X S. Oh, that's perfect. I think I found the muffler for these trucks. They sound really good. Nice deep tone, no raspiness. I like that.